Hey guys, it's Matt here with Solas Propellers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our RBX-113 Hub Kit. Let's get started. So first thing, you're going to want to make sure you have an empty prop shaft. You're going to want to take off all the old hardware because the only thing you're going to reuse is the old castle nut and the old cotter pin. First thing, you have your RBX thrust washer. Then that's going to be followed by the RBX propeller. Then next we have the Aft Spacer. Then after that we have our flat spacer. Then on to the locking nut. And for exact engine specifications, you're going to want to check with the engine's owner manual. And lastly here we have your cotter pin.